Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to create and show tables, display columns of a table, and drop tables. So let's log into the server and get started. Before creating a table, you must select a database that the table will belong to, otherwise you'll get an error. We will select this one. To create a table, we specify the name of the table we want to create after the create table keywords. Then here within the parentheses we specify a list of columns for the table. So at least one column must be provided, otherwise you'll get an error. To define a column, we provide the column name and the data type of values to be stored in that column. We can also specify the maximum length of the column values. Other properties that you can specify are the not null property, which is used to enforce non-null values in the column. Another one is the auto increment property, which instructs the server to implicitly generate sequential integers for the column. The columns in the parentheses are separated by commas. We will add another column to our table. We will then specify the ID column to be the primary key for the table. The query has been executed and a table created successfully. We can confirm this by executing the show tables statement. And here is our table. If we create a table with the same name again, we get an error because a table with that name already exists. To prevent this, we add the or replace clause after the create keyword. This will drop the table with the specified name if it exists before creating a new table. If we don't want to drop the table, we can instead add if not exists clause after the create table keywords. To display the columns of the table, we use the describe keyword and then specify the name of the table. Here are the columns with their properties. To remove a table from a database, we use the drop table keywords and then specify the name of the table. That went well, but if we drop a table with the same name again, we get an error. We can avoid this by adding the if exists clause after the drop table keywords. And you see now that we don't get any error. So the key points to remember when creating a table are: 1. You must select a database before creating a table. And the second one is that at least one column must be specified when creating a table. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.